So today I have another review for you guys that's by Sensationnel's Vice collection. My first time trying this collection, so I got a few things to say about it. If you guys are interested in this unit, I will have links to SAMSBEAUTY.com in my description box and a direct link to this wig, which is Sensationnel's Vice Unit 1, and I have it in the color 1B. As y'all can see, get into this texture. It's very much so serving human hair dupe vibes, okay? Now, even though I feel like this wig is bomb, I was so nervous because I watched someone's review. It looked gorgeous on her, but she went in on this wig. So I was super nervous trying this unit, but I'm glad I did because this is definitely giving me throwback OhSo vibes when I used to love to wear long curly hair. Now it's hot, but it's lightweight. And this wig is only $29.99 on SAMSBEAUTY.com, so I feel like it's worth having in your collection if this is your vibe. Now, I'm going to say this wig is about 24 to 26 inches on me. Y'all know I'm shorty, 5'2", and it's hitting like to my butt area, but it just looks so good to me. This is a wig that I would recommend to get for maybe like a vacation or like fall time, and you're definitely going to need to use some mousse and like a lace tint powder or foundation on the lace, because you're going to need to get it to blend. I like the quality of this wig though, especially for the price. I think it's hitting, and I'm just shook because a lot of people didn't like the texture on this wig, but I feel like a lot of people are not as experienced in working with certain curly hair fibers. This wig, you're going to need water and mousse on hand. I'll do some B-rolls and overlays so you guys can kind of see my styling process, but this wig is pretty straight to the point. It's big head friendly. The lace came ear to ear on me. The density is super lightweight, and I went outside in this hair earlier and it's like 100 degrees here in Cali. I had it in a ponytail now, which I really think was a cute style. It didn't bother me. Granted, you know, I was under AC, but I'm just saying I had to walk outside in the heat, and it wasn't doing too much, but I'm still gonna go with the notion that this is not an everyday wig, and it's definitely not for the faint at heart. This wig is strictly for my people out there who love big divalicious hair, but I'm telling you, I feel like this wig is subtle. Don't go brushing through this wig. Don't go finger combing this wig without any water and mousse. That is the key to this wig. So definitely know what you're getting into if you do want to purchase this unit. I didn't get a lot of shedding or anything, which is it's pretty much surprising given that a lot of people were complaining about the texture on this wig. As far as the longevity, I'm not going to say that I think this unit will last you a long time, but if you don't sleep in it at night, and like I said, I gotta keep emphasizing, you gotta keep your water and mousse on deck with this hair. Let me pull it all to the front so you guys could see her in all her glory, because look, sis, she's big, but look, it's not a lot of hair. It's so lightweight. So I feel like you can get away with this unit at nighttime in the summertime, if that's your vibe, like I said. So if you guys have tried this wig or tried any units from Sensationnel's Vice collection, let me know down below. Like, get into that parting space. You get about 5 inches of parting space, and it looks so good. I didn't have to pluck anything. I'm gonna insert a clip so you guys can see how the hairline came. It came like pre-plucked really nicely. I don't have no complaints. Surprisingly, I was ready to hate this wig after watching someone's review. I think I watched 2 people's reviews, and I was like, oh Lord. So I kind of put this video off, but I'm so happy that I got her together. And she is OhSo approved for my divalicious chicks out there who love that big diva hair, okay? So like I said, go ahead and check out SAMSBEAUTY.com if you guys are interested in checking out this wig. And I know I'm talking fast because I gotta go, y'all. I gotta go. Thank y'all for tuning into my channel. Give me a like. If you want to be a part of the fam, you can do that by subscribing, and you're gonna just immediately become a part of the fam and be one of my cousins, okay? So thank you guys again for tuning in, and I'm gonna go.